Hey guys, it's me Misha. Let's take a look at our markets. It's freaking hot. Yeah, coin plug. Just give me a sec. Give me a quick sec. No, this. Okay, this is gonna be better. So yeah, plug made its move. We would need a test here. I'm not gonna trade it anyways, just because it doesn't pay dividends. It's not my jam. Not my jam. But yeah, it corrected violently to 0.5, and I think it's gonna go from here. We don't really know. It's still short, and it looks short. Roku, Yuan, Vasagra. Your product. J&J. Didn't break me even last week. Missed it by hair. Target, same deal, missed it by hair. It's better go. It's better go from here. It's 0.5. We don't have exhaustion volume just quite yet. Maybe that was it. Maybe that was an accident. So we didn't have a bullish bar here, but that could be exhaustion volume. Then 2-bar spring. We'll see next week. Intel. That looked like an exhaustion volume for this entire movement. However, after this consolidation, if you sum up all these volumes, you'll come up with a way bigger number. So I don't know. It looks short on monthly for all I care. Yeah. Doesn't look good. Lily. Why on earth did I decide? No, it looked good. Let's counter trend though. Continuation of the trend. If I'm deadly wrong, we can go here, we can go anywhere. They can reverse the... I mean, that would be stupid to get stuck in there. Same deal. I entered here, and this bar was closing with the full control of the seller. Should have really waited for the reaction bar. Didn't even close. I mean, it was giving me all the signals. I was like too excited. This is though is way more viable than this. But yeah. Starbucks made its move and made me some 2R. I think this volume shouldn't be bothering us anymore. Yeah. It's getting above it. Again, should be in and out of this one. It's counter trend. Counter trend. One can also say that it was a 1 bar rule. So that was like bullish in Wyckoff terminology, measuring from the close of the previous bar, and then it was broken right away. 0.5 is still here. Yeah, that was like too quick of a drop. It would bounce. That's logical. That it didn't stop it like first. That was like an exhaustion rally or whatever it's called in Wyckoff methodology. Then boom, went again. Now we're getting out of it. So yeah. Heinz. Still looks like it can go here. Just did this spring. Weird. Yeah. So technically after the test it's good to go. McDonald's. The volume is weird. Volume distribution is weird. Yeah. I'll keep an eye. CRM. It's again from the close of the previous bar. It's a bullish bar technically. We would need a test anyways. Yeah, and this whole volume was weird. 1 bar reversal, so I think it has all potential to go and manipulate this level. And then 5 minutes, yeah, it was weird. So we're rising. Just did it spring. We can just gap on Monday. Yeah. Can just gap. Maybe I would consider a trade quick to R if it tests the spring successfully. This is weird though. It's just, yeah, it needs to decide what it wants to do. Cisco. A very similar situation. Volume is great though. I mean, the monthly chart is great. Yeah, that would be good. Oops. That would be good to buy it from here. It's nearing 0.5. This is weird though, by all accounts. By all accounts. We'll see. MasterCard. Nornickel. CVS. Pfizer. Wells Fargo. Tatneft. Our monthly watches. That's our continuation of the trends that we don't take just because we already stuck in one, and I'm not gonna take any more trades in continuation of the trend until I break even from all my losing trades. That's reckless. I shouldn't be stuck in more than one trade at a time. Well, ideally I shouldn't be stuck in any trades at any time, but it doesn't always work that way. So yeah, like you see how the spring was not indicative, was very indicative of something going wrong here, and it shows. Weird times for the Russian market. I guess it's never been easy on the Russian stock market. It was always quite turbulent. But what before seemed turbulent was a very stable time, considering current situation. Russia is really the crossroads. If you guys have any interesting situations, send me. I'm not looking at comments so often, but yeah, shoot me a stock and I'll take a look. So Now it's officially change of the trend. Also was a test level. Rich American tobacco. Trying to do something. I don't know what. But it's trying, it's expanding. It's creek level. We'll see if it breaks or holds. Cabot Corporation. It sounded like Cabbage Corporation to me. That was a 1 bar rule. That was the test level. I mean, it's more like this, realistically. Let's be real. So what happened here? Yeah, it goes higher. Yeah, that's what it is right now. Doesn't have much strength though, your side's just barely moving. Which is normally indicative of the trend's weakness. Does it mean it's a bad trend? It just means it's a weak trend. Technically here. This is a test. It's official. Oh no, I'm sorry. Test was there. You guys, I just watched Francesca Zon's France yesterday. What a masterpiece. That's how I want to be talking about war. Just watch it. Just watch it. I think this is such a... Oh, let's just keep it like this, but it's such a... wrong charting, I think. Yeah. Coca-Cola. This is hallucination. This whole thing was hallucination. Starting from here, I should have been charting it. Especially when it didn't hold this level, so. It's close anyways, so. Not too terrible. This kind of deal. He did do a balance here. 1, 2, 1, 2. No, that's not what I mean. This. So that's how it was. It was a beautiful spring. Yeah. This is more realistic. Regardless. Interesting. Just didn't go there. Officially still short. 0.5 potentiality is already exhausted itself. See, I let it slide. MMM. MMM is the name of the most notoriously known Russian Ponzi scheme from 90s. They were huge. So anyone coming from XSSR territories will smile or cry when they hear MMM abbreviation. That stood for the it was like two brothers and a sister, Mavrodis family. Brilliant minds that utilize their intellectual capacity in the wrong direction. I'm not even sure of how much they were themselves aware of what a detrimental effect they have on collective psyche and economy. It was like a Wild West style capitalism. back then in Russia. I don't think people had a lot of moral remorse on what they were doing, business-wise at least. But yeah, they are huge. I mean, this of course should be united because it's not short. Long story short, it's not short. And it crawls up, and yeah, it's an upward movement, right? Yeah, I think I'm right. And there's no balance here anyway, so yeah, yeah. So potentiality here was 2.5, and then resumption of main movement. And I think that's what we're seeing right now. Oh, that's a good weakness we are observing here. Boom, boom, boom. It went up in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 bars, and it's just going down endlessly, and it died. What would we get from this level? I think the incoming direction of this balance is long. Why am I prone to say directionality? I'm prone to overcomplicate words just because English sounds too simple, like as words for a Russian speaker. Because in Russia all the words are so like elongated, complicated. And in English they're almost like all simplified. Like in all these international words that are seen across the different languages. So instead of saying direction, I say directionality. So when I say directionality, I mean direction. That's my point, I guess. Yeah. Alright. And higher and higher and higher. Dun, 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 dun. Good job. Could have been an accident. Who knows? Cues. Many stocks reached its all-time highs or renewed its highs, and we'll see how it goes. I hope I'm not gonna get stuck in too many trades. That would suck. It's also all-time highs. Let's put it here just for not to forget. Like oopsie doopsie. I'm right here. Okay. AT&T. That was not right. No, it is right. This bar didn't touch this high yet. I have no idea what this guy is doing. Is it where the balance really happened? Yes, it is indeed. Yeah, so it's in the this is, yeah. How did that happen? Wow. Huh. Yeah, I mean, never mind these levels. So yeah, they don't have to be punctured anymore. Punctured. Yeah, that was going on. Incoming direction nullity is a short. Potentially a T2 level. So it was not a change of directionality. It's somehow bizarre expansion of T2 since it reached back the T1 level. It's not a balance either. It's a massacre. I'll be just staying away. I will stay away. No, I could stay away. Da, 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 da. 68, 58. So it did break. It did break this level. That looks like an exhaustion here. Gosh, I need to learn the lyrics. I wanna close my eyes. Cry. 'Cause I miss you, baby. I don't miss a thing. I'm just mumbling when I don't know lyrics. I just I don't know. Like, I mean, it's volume. It does look like correction to this volume. Doesn't look like correction considering this volume and this volume level. So something is going on here without me, and it's obeyed the sign of strength level. Didn't hold the test level, but so yeah, I think it's just going up. US bank warp. Let's put it punctured yet. So ever since I don't know. I know, man. Suspicious. So I wouldn't put much trust in it. But diapason is just like way too wide here from like 50 like to 25, 50% downward and 200% upward. I know, man. No, 100% upward. You get what I'm saying. Yeah. Other than that, it played beautifully here. 20.5. Oh, no, that's not what I meant. That was not my intent. 0.5 Fibonacci was my intent. You see? Yeah. It worked beautifully here. 0.5 doing boom, but without us. Wasn't the no, okay. You see all this stuff? Storming. Logging all-time highs. Just goes. Bing. Forget about all this crap. That was also the... I mean... We'll see. Just for curiosity's sake. We'll see how it will work. But I think it's just not working diapason from 88 to like 45. Yeah, we should have been looking at it as an independent approach. Wouldn't give us an entry point. Maybe on an inferior time frame, but not here. Not here. With all-time highs and historical highs as well. It was like growing, and then starts tumbling. Volume dies out. This financial sector, financial. You can say it's about 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I think it's forming a balance. It's fair to say. Many things are tech is correcting as well. Where's our Taiwan semiconductor? I'm wondering. I think it went above its sun reversal. What's called shorting of thrust candle. There was like a shorting of thrust candle that looked like an exhaustion. I think it went above. Didn't even correct. Yandex. Yeah, the Yandex founder. Okay, we're back. Okay, so we have a bunch of stocks to look at tomorrow. So we have stuff to work with. I'm not gonna be looking for new stocks. I'm gonna let you go. Enjoy Sunday Funday. Everything I say is not financial advice. Trade responsibly on your own.